Yo, Sakafet, I'm Samy Beatz. In today's video, I'm gonna be making a melodic trap beat from scratch. Usually, I don't make this kind of beat, but the last time I dropped a trap tutorial on this channel, it seems like a lot of you love it. Melodic trap beats are trending on Beatz right now, and this is the best excuse to create this trap beat tutorial. So, let's get started. As usual, let's start with the corporation. I'm gonna use the Mark 1 from Additive Key and use the last preset. I use this preset because I know it's a smooth preset. My tempo is gonna be 105 and key is gonna be the C minor. I'm gonna go with a F right there. Skip one, we add one, we skip one, we add one, and then we add the low note. And then this one I can lower there. And then now Command B, we duplicate this and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then boom. And we can transpose this right there so we can have another voicing that's much more interesting. Alt L, we play with the velocity a little bit. Alt X. That sounds good. Now it's time to make the chord sound much more interesting. I think we can add a F right there. We just copy the same roots note. And then we'll try to add more note. Boom, we go back to C right there. Now I'm gonna layer it with other instruments. Let's go with the memory V. Command C, Command V. Okay, now let's layer with another one. I think I'm gonna go with Analog Lab, and there's a preset I love using, which is a pad, Los in Toronto. It doesn't sound crazy. Command V. One thing I see with this preset, more you play with the velocity, is going to give you another sound. That's how I love it. That's good. I think I have an idea. Let's try to use the mini freak V. But yeah, and then go to key. I think. Nice. The next thing is to add some delay to create the movement around it. Okay, I think I can add some vocal chop. Let me go to splice and then see what I can find. I find those crazy vocal chop and sample. Let's go with the first one and stretch this, and otherwise don't go for bar, and then I can stretch it. So stretch. That's crazy. Just right there. And we're on the key of C minor, that means minus 200. Okay, this one is definitely B minor plus 100. Plus 100. I'm just gonna chop it just right there. Beam, and then we add a fade out, and then we go. Okay, now we play with this one. Let's adjust it to 4 bars, and then we go. This one is on G flat minor. I mean minus 600. Okay. I know what I'm gonna do with this. This is gonna be on the verse. I'm gonna keep this for the chorus. Let's try to build the drum pattern now. This one. maybe this one. Okay, now we can add some hi-hat. I think if you add some hi-hat, that can bring the bump. Ting, ting, that give you this California vibe, you know. Like, and now we can add some. Now it's time to add the bass. I'm going to use the Mini V3 by Arturia because this has a bunch of crazy bass. There is a preset called rolling bass. Okay, this one. For this beat, I think I'm going to create 3 bass patterns. One with an 808, one with this one right there. That gives us this California vibe, and one that's gonna be a synth bass. That means 3 bass for 3 sections of the instrumental. Alright, Q, we can touch everything. Okay, I think I can remove this one, and let's add the gold particle on it so we can have more vibe. I love producing with my gold particle on. Okay, maybe you can use this. Can add this one too. Now I think it's time to create the other bass pattern. I think I'm gonna go first with Memory V again. I love those plugins, guys. They have some crazy preset. Let's go to bass, and then what preset? I remember there was a preset that sound crazy on this. I think it was this one. This one sounds good. I think, yeah. For this bass, we are just going to follow the roots node, and we're gonna Command L. But one thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna for the last bass pattern, I'm going to use a bass from J Cactus drum kit, the Volt. Let's go to trap and see. Let's try this to see, and then we'll keep the one that's work. Like, it's a pretty simple bass pattern. You just follow the kick. Guys, I'm not going to sit there and try to find the best 808 sample. I'm just gonna do that off camera because you know the drill. You create your pattern, and then you try to find the right sample for it. I'm just gonna do that off camera. And also I think I will add a bunch of effect, like effect, vocal chop, just to fill empty space and then make the beat sound crazy. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then get back to y'all with the final vibe. Guys, I finally used the last preset. One thing I do on it, I just go and then add this parameter because I don't like the high frequencies that in it. I just lower them, and then that's it. I do also I add some effect this right there. You just go to splice, try to find effect that's work well, and then you add them and make sure that it sound crazy. One thing that I did and I love this transition right there. I find this and J Cactus drum kit. It's a transition, a fire impact transition, and it sounds crazy. So yeah, that's it. That's all I just did. I'll just keep all the basic that I create and then add some effects, some vocal chop around it, and all together we have this crazy sounding melodic trap beat. So enjoy.